This is the demo for ECE3436 Lab3. So resistor 1, all resistors 0 through 4 are given here, along with the test current used in task 5 and the current used in this first circuit. So running through, task 0 asks us to load registers 0 through 5 with RES0, RES1, RES2, RES3, RES4, and ISRC1 respectively. So that does that, and then task 1 asks us to calculate VSRC1, which is just the product of the resistor value of R0 and ICR1, which is 2 times 16, so that's 32, which is 20 in hex, and then calculate R5, which is the sum. I have the circuit pulled up on a separate tab. R5 is the sum of R0 and R1, which is 6 plus 2, which should be 8. Bingo. Alright, and this just stores the values into the registers. Alright, and then task 2 asks us to calculate the value of ISR2, which is the quotient of VSRC1, which we just calculated, along with R5, which we just calculated. So 16 divided by 8 is 4. Excuse me. Which this should be the product of. Alright. And then also to calculate RES6, which is just R5 and R5 and R2 in parallel, which is 8 ohms and 8 ohms respectively, which would be 4 ohms. There you go. Alright, and then VSRC2 is the product of ISRC2 times R6. And then it also asks us to calculate R7, which is the sum of R6, R3, and R4 in series. Okay, and then lastly, in task 4, it asks us to calculate IR4 and store it in IRES4, which is the quotient of VSRC2 divided by R7. And then store it in IRES4. And then task 5 is just asking us to repeat the entire thing, but with a test current ISRCT rather than the given ISRC1 beforehand. And that's it. Thank you.